SK and NVIDIA's Megaproject, a $500 billion AI factory, forging the future of artificial intelligence. AI, power, future.
A massive $500 billion initiative matches Thailand's entire annual GDP. SK and NVIDIA are transforming the tech landscape with their new AI factory. Announced on July 24th at the AI Summit, this non-binding letter of intent lays out an ambitious multi-year framework for next-gen computing. SK Telecom will build a 2-gigawatt AI factory in Korea using NVIDIA's DSX platform and cutting-edge Vera Rubin architecture. SK Hynix secures a long-term deal to supply high-bandwidth HBM4 memory directly to NVIDIA, powering advanced artificial intelligence models. 2 gigawatts represents the capacity of a major power plant. The AI race is no longer just software, but power, chips, and memory scale. Moving massive computing infrastructure to Asia-Pacific means lower latency and cheaper cloud computing rental costs for local businesses by 2027. High demand for HBM memory trains global manufacturing, pushing up consumer RAM and SSD prices across the entire tech market. Infrastructure alone does not create mastery. While global giants build power plants, real progress comes from mastering the tools in our hands today.